Okay, whenever you're ready. Wow, look at that. Oh, Pete, don't hit Petey with the stick. Okay, one spoon. And then you can twirl it and you can twirl and then bow. Can you twirl and bow so I can get it all on video? Ah, there you go. There you go. Well, yay, Mason! Wait, I didn't get the twirl and bow on video. Can you twirl and bow? Ah, there you go. And bow. Take a bow. There you go.